Hello data lovers, welcome back to Data with Kagesh channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get Exa code from any image in your computer. I will explain one of the important method which is used in real time usually. Let's say let's say I have this image, so I want to extract this Exa code and I want to replicate this in my report. So I have same data which I showed earlier in the image. So my end goal is I want to replicate yellow as a yellow color, red as a red color, blue as a blue color. How to do that? Just copy and paste. Just copy and paste. For that, I'm using snipping tool where I capture an image and just copy and paste in Paint. If I want to replicate red color in the report, so for that, what I have to do is get color picker icon, hit on that color picker icon, and hit on hit on the color which you want to get the Exa code. So I want red's Exa code, so I'm just clicking on that. So if you want to grab the Exa code, go to edit colors where you can find the red color Exa code. So now what you have to do is I want red as a red color, right? So for that, I'm going to the column where you can see different color bars. So I want red as a red, right? So I'm clicking on the red and just go to more colors and just click on that. So you can see red is shown as a red color. And the same way, yellow, I want to show as a yellow color. For that, what I have to do? Similar process. Go to color picker and click on yellow color. If you want to get Exa color code, go to edit color and grab the Exa code and go to the report. Go to yellow color, go to more, just click on that and you get the yellow color. In this way, you can replicate the same thing in your entire report. So I will do the further also. So if you want the same way, if you want to get the blue color, go to color picker icon again and click on blue and get the blue color hexa code. Go to report, go to more color. And if you want to pink, go to more colors. And paste it here, get the pink color. And if you want to get the green color, go to this color picker icon and click on green and get the Exa code. Click on green. So if you observe here, you are replicating same color as we are expecting. Yellow is yellow, red and red, blue and blue, and pink and pink, and green is green. I hope you like the session. Use the same method in your report as well. And if you like the session, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and write the comments what content you want in near future. And thank you.